terminus.
Demi son l'air, commis sita, famille le bouya, demi l'orumpa, demi la son.
We're almost at the 4 already, but we are just making payments right here. So after making the payment, we are going to be legging it to the 4, and it's going to be a very long journey. So guys, right after making the payment, we're about to start the journey on foot, and according to this signboard that is here, so we are going to be walking 3 kilometers right to the 4, and as you can see, this place is very rocky, it's steepy, slopey, it's just everything. And as you can see, we are large in numbers, and you know, some of us even like almost got our foot broken. And
what's the bait? Come up.
so obviously we are tired here, and right here we met these guys cutting down the wood just to make charcoal. Jesus!
Finally!
Zoom it. The thing they shout. So here we are exactly at the falls, and as you guys can see, you can see how amazing this waterfall is. That is why waterfall is among one of the wonders of the world. This is really beautiful. Nature is just so beautiful. The work is stressful, guy. The most stressful for me. I was just sweating. I'm like, bro, it's not easy. I'm even thinking that I'm still going to walk back there.
Yeah, it's a very long. Yeah, you are going to go.
Yes, now I've been thinking about it, that after all this enjoyment and all this glamour, you are still going to walk back.
It's actually a one-time experience that you should come and experience.
So I'm going to tell students that you come.
They should come to Owu. They should come and experience it themselves.
Yeah,
it's a very one-time experience.
So if you have the chance, will you come again?
This is my third time.
This is your third time?
Definitely.
Bro, literally, you are coming here every year.
I'm coming here the second time this year. I was here 3-4 weeks ago.
3-4 weeks ago. Wow.
Yeah.
You really love nature to be coming here like 4 weeks ago. Oh, thank you. How is the experience? How is the experience going?
More. This is indeed an adventure. Seriously, have fun. Seriously, have fun. Look at it, nature.
Yes, now just look at it, bro. This is the tallest waterfall in Western Nigeria. Yes, now. I feel like federal government should try and improve this place so that people can come.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Because that work is not easy, to be honest. Yes, now they should make it to be easier to come to this place.
And it will be more easy. They can even make more money from here. Seriously.
Yes.
So I try for our state government to give it a try.
Yes.
Making this place at least indeed a memory for people to come. Seriously, have fun. And I advise people out there to come and watch as well. Thank you so much. Your boy Fikayo me. Thank you so much.
So it's your boy Fikayo me with us here. So if you have the chance to come again, will you come?
I will come often again.
Yes,
I will bring my children to come and visit.
Yeah, I'll actually bring my children too to come and visit. Thank you very much. So guys, right here I'm really tired. So I'm just, eating the bread we bought while coming inside the bus. I was very, very tired and hungry. So I can't just stop thinking and wondering about how beautiful and amazing this waterfall is. And this, made me reflect on life a little. It is just funny and crazy that me and every student that came to this waterfall, we have tastes 2 days from now. But that's just life. Sometimes you just need to take that break, go out and be happy and just forget about all your worries and just take the break. That's just life, because to be honest, life is just so short. And for the test, we go run am.